Hello everyone and welcome to the introductory lecture of the YouTube channel Physics in Minutes. In this video, I am going to tell you everything about this YouTube channel, the content that it's going to offer and the creator of this content. Now the first thing that pops up into everyone's mind is that what exactly is this channel going to offer? So it is going to offer a series of lecture on physics for students who are preparing for national level pre-medical and pre-engineering entrance exams, which is the NEET and JEE. It is also going to provide guidance to the students who wish to go for research institutes like the IISc and the ICERS through KVPY and other similar examinations. These lectures are going to be quick, concise, and they will be delivered with a student-centric approach keeping in mind. There will be emphasis on concept-based learning rather than making students mug up a given set of formulas which are not actually needed to solve questions. There will be separate sessions that will be conducted specifically to provide problem solving skills, and special techniques will be delivered during these lectures. Another important aspect this channel is going to provide is teaching concepts of physics through practicals and demonstrations. There will be sessions that would be exclusively designed to cultivate a curious attitude among high school students in order to increase their involvement in the subject and making physics enjoyable for them. These sessions will take them out of the books and give a more practical insight for the subject. Also, there will be occasional sessions on general topics like astronomy, particle physics, relativity, and even quantum mechanics. Apart from all these things, we are planning to offer educational guidance, which is a very important part of a student's life, but it is often neglected. We are going to help a student discover his interests, capabilities, weak and strong points through self-awareness. We are also going to help a student to choose an appropriate course in accordance with their individual needs, interests, and abilities. Also, we are going to tell him about the market application of those courses. We are also going to help student adapt to his or her current educational program and plan his future course of study accordingly. We are also going to conduct lectures on improving study habits for a more effective and exam-oriented preparation of students. Besides all these things, we also provide career counseling to those students who are not sure about choosing a particular stream after 10th or 12th class. Many times, students face a dilemma between getting a job after graduation or going for a post-graduation course, and what consequences will it ultimately have on their career. We will also suggest short-term courses that students can pursue during or after their graduation, which will highly enhance their job prospects. Internships are an excellent way in which students can gain an industry-oriented experience, and we will help students to look for the same. We will also provide them with up-to-date information on all kinds of competitive exams, may it be entrance exams or for PG courses in India or abroad, or public sector job exams. Now, let us meet the content creator, which would be none other than me. My name is Aditya Rothe and I am from Akola, which is a city situated in the Vidarbha region of Maharashtra state. Akola is very famous for its delicious street food, first-class educational institutes that have been providing great results for many decades now. Akola also offers excellent healthcare facilities not only to its residents but also for people from nearby districts as well. Coming to the next question, what do I do and since how long I have been doing it? I teach physics to the students who are preparing for NEET and JEE and other similar competitive exams. Schools to guide high school students for competitive exams like NTSC, Homi Baba Junior Scientists, and even national level Olympiads. I also used to be a member of the Robotic Forum, which is a group of robotic enthusiasts that participates in various national and international robotics competitions. This is me in the Robocon 2013 and this is me in the Robocon of 2014, and I was fortunate enough to guide the technical section of this team in the year 2014. I am still in contact with those guys, and we regularly conduct robotics workshops at MIGS for high school students. Now, talking about my academic background, my schooling was done from Jubilee English High School, Akola, and I graduated from the school in the year 2010. During my intermediate college years, I joined the Institute Safe Hands, where I received coaching for pre engineering entrance exams from 2010 to 2012. In the year 2012, I joined the 4-year BTech program in mechanical engineering in the Government College of Engineering, Amravati. I graduated from college in the year 2016, and I must say those were the greatest 4 years of my life until now. After that, I went to Hyderabad and stayed there for a few months, took coaching for GATE and EAC, but unfortunately, I couldn't appear for both these exams. Afterwards, I joined MIGS. The main reason that prompted me to undertake this task is that too much online content is already available on different platforms. This makes students confused about how much they should consume and what they should leave. Therefore, most of the time, what happens is students either end up over preparing or under preparing. So, I wanted to help students to identify what exact topics they need to perfect for a particular exam. I would also like to take this opportunity to thank all those who supported me directly or indirectly during all this time. Time won't permit me to mention all of them, but still, here are the ones without whom this task couldn't have been possible. Firstly, Mr. Sagar Shekogar. This is the guy who made me realize that sometimes it is not the lack of resources that hold you back, but the lazy guy which is inside you. Thank you for your relentless encouragement. Next is Mr. Ajay Yadav, who had been an important person for all the technical support. And the last one is Mr. Siddharth Manga, who has also been a technical person who has helped me a lot in this task.